Welcome to Venice Beach, California. It's now showtime. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody make some noise. Good. We'll do it anyway.
We're in San Bernardino, California right now. You know, Whitney's never seen this before, so it's all brand new for her, so it's really nice to see that. And I remember my mom used to drive a commercial truck over the road when I was a kid, and we used to spend a lot of time in California, so I guess I kind of took that for granted. But now looking at it, I've never really driven here in a car on my own, but it's gorgeous. You know, as I get better and better at vlogging, and you know, I appreciate all the new subscriptions, all you new subscribers. Thank you guys. I'm gonna keep trying to pump out some quality video. We're gonna go straight to Venice Beach. Like we're driving back to Vegas tonight. I'll catch back up to you guys whenever we get there. But here's a few slow-mos and a few shots for you. Okay, enjoy. Hi. We made it, Venice Beach, and I've just discovered, Whitney discovered it, they have the scooters. Please believe we'll be on those scooters. I wonder if you can fly a drone out here. You probably can't hear. Let's see if I can. Alright. What up, everybody? Whitney and I have been riding scooters for the past probably 20-30 minutes. I don't really know where we're at. Didn't pay a lot of attention to where we parked our car, but even though we're only here for a short while, we're definitely not gonna go without seeing the ocean. Check that out. Ready to see the ocean, sweetheart?
Yes.
Okay. She's been talking about it all day.
Little girl. So it was imperative, since she had never been out here, that we immediately come out here, and I'll say she's one happy lady. She loves the ocean. I mean, it's beautiful. Just a month ago or so, we were in Florida celebrating Chase and Lauren's wedding, and now we're here on the West Coast checking out what Los Angeles has to offer. It's nice. It's still the ocean. It's cold, and the beaches aren't quite as white, but we're happy. All that we have left for the rest of the day, we're gonna go get something to eat and go back to Vegas, stay the night, and then we'll see you guys. We'll see y'all next time. I appreciate everybody's love once again. Please subscribe. Make sure that you're showing the love. Ask them to subscribe.
Please subscribe.
There you go.
Please.
You got it.
We woke up this morning, 8:30, took off to California. We put our feet into the ocean, and now we're back here. I can't think of a better way to end this thing. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna be traveling the next few days, so don't expect anything. But keep subscribing. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.